Hi, this is Jewel with Jewel's Remedies, and here I have my Amla powder and aloe vera juice hair paste for hair and scalp. So I started off using a cup of the aloe vera juice. You can substitute with distilled or filter water, and then I put in a half a cup of Amla. From there, I slowly begin to add a little more till I get like the thickness that I want. So I end up probably using about 2/3 of a cup. So here's the consistency. I see how it pastes like it is. So most people can stop here. But because I like to be extra, and see here's the consistency of how you would apply it to your hair and scalp. But I like to add peppermint essential oil. So right here on the label, essential oils, what you want to look for, and then back in the ingredients, you want to make sure it has a botanical name. If not, you're just getting a peppermint fragrant oil. So from here, this is about a little less than a cup or 8 ounces. So, but I like to go ahead and just add about 20 drops. Although the rule of thumb is that you can add 5 drops if you have sensitive skin, and then 10 drops per ounce. So go ahead and add that and mix that in. And again, if you want to stop. I have drier, kinkier hair, so I like to add in coconut oil. And this is cold pressed, virgin, organic coconut oil. So make sure on the label you see cold pressed or expeller pressed coconut oil or virgin. Look for those keywords, because if not, you're getting something that has another additive. And so the benefit of the coconut oil for my kinkier, curlier type of hair is that it actually can penetrate the hair shaft. So coconut oil is a plant-based oil full of triglycerides that can change the way your hair feels because it can actually penetrate the hair. And so from there is your paste. I then apply this and section my hair. It already has water in it, so I don't really need to spritz my hair, but if your hair is extra dry and it just helps with the sectioning process, go ahead and do that. So apply this to the hair and scalp, section by section. Any leftover product you have, smooth it down the shaft of your hair. Cover your head with a plastic cap. That's going to stop the evaporation of the product. And then you want to sit under indirect heat for about 20 minutes or longer. I like, if I'm just, at home, going ahead and doing chores, I'll let it sit around longer. And then after that time, you want to shampoo out. So this is something that you want to use before your shampoo. And scalp. So this is my recipe. Try it out. I like to use this weekly for about 30 days. And then after that, once I get my hair in great condition, I may do it less often. So maybe bi-weekly or just once a month. So one key thing to use is that I'm using the extra heavier weight oil because right now there's low humidity, so there's going to be more moisture loss. So if during the cooler, less humid months, think about adding heavier weight oils. One thing about natural products is that if I have any left over, I can refrigerate it. But know that naturally the water, the liquid's going to evaporate. So you may, once you pull out your paste, you may need to add some extra water to kind of reactivate it. So that is my quick recipe. You'll love it. I'll leave a description of the benefits and where to buy in the link below, in the description below. Enjoy.